Hello everybody. So I'm back. I don't know if I'm going to rename the channel yet. I haven't gotten the 100 subscribers since I posted the first video saying that I would review Teslas, or at least a Tesla, and adding modifications to it, and then I'll review them. I said I would do that if I get 100 subscribers. Posted the video yesterday. Yep, got 3 views. 2 were me and 1 was my brother. So I'm off to a hot start. 26 followers, hasn't changed, but I'm going forward. So I ordered the Tesla mid-January and it's supposed to be ready mid-March. So I'm a couple weeks away, a few weeks away. So in the meantime, I'm prepping my garage and I'm in there now. I have scissors because one of the things arrived today. And I'm gonna show you that. Actually, 2 things have arrived, but one I'm gonna use the scissors for, right here. Here we go. Now let's talk scissors. This is the first thing to arrive. Got the Tesla wall charger and the cable organizer. So that will go right up in here. This is pre-wired and ready in the house that we bought. New construction, but they're coming out here on Monday to do that. And in the meantime, I'm parking the gas hogging SUV in the driveway. So that will be the first thing that happens on Monday, getting that charger installed. So we are ready to go. Heard good things about it. I know I could have just went with a regular wall connection, but I figured I'd drop the money and see how this bad boy works and how quick I can get a charge in the car. Let's talk scissors now. So these scissors are for the other thing that arrived. A little background. I fell in love with the Tesla when I test drove it. A, because it's electric, and I'm ready to stop paying for gasoline and also do my part to help our green endeavors. And 2 is because it's super fast. And even though I've owned 4 different Camaros, including 2 different Camaros and 4 different Mustangs, including a Roush Mustang, this will be the fastest car I've ever owned. But when I've had those cars, because I'm 18 years old and I won't grow up, I'm actually 29, but I feel like I'm 18. And since I won't grow up, I always have to have my car feel a little bit more unique. So the downer of a Tesla in California is they are everywhere. When I drive to get coffee or to work, I can probably guarantee that 1 out of every 10 cars in my neighborhood are Teslas, and maybe every 1 out of 20 on the freeway are Teslas, so they're everywhere. The goal is to make mine look a little bit different and unique. So I've watched probably over 300 videos of people's modifications and ideas. And there are 2 that I fell in love with. The first one is why I have the scissors, and I'll stop being irritating, is wheels and tires. So as soon as the car arrives, I'm gonna put the current Uber turbine wheels, which are black, with the OEM tires up for sale. And I already purchased, and they have arrived, new wheels and tires. And I went offset, so the backs are wider than the fronts. And I'm gonna open them now and show them off. Now let's talk scissors. So here are the specs. These are the fronts, and they are the same tire that's on the Tesla when you buy it, which is the Pilot Sport 4S's, and the same size. So this is the same size of the 4 that come on the car, 235/35 with a rim of 20. And those are the fronts. And we will cut that bad boy open and check out the wheels. And then if you can see by comparison, that, and then here are the rears. Much, much wider. And these are same as well, 275 though, 30/20. And those bad boys are wide. In fact, when oh boy, someone's cleaning their yard. When the FedEx guy dropped these off, he said, "Are you putting these on a Corvette?" I actually like that idea, but no, not a Corvette. Snip. 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 Boom. Look at those bad boys. Now let's talk scissors. Here we go. Oh yeah. You're looking at the TS5s, the T Sportline. This should be, let's get it closer. Should be the satin gray there. And there's some people, oh, there's the lugs. Right there. And what did he say? Little card in here. Oh, it's the tire protection plan. And roadside. There we go. Little tire protection. T Sportline. So these wheels and tires, I think from what I heard, are a third lighter than what comes on the car. So not only do they look good, by the way, that's a really good finish. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that bad boy. Let's take this closer. That's a nice finish. This is the satin gray, which I really love their model that they don't sell anymore, which was their exclusive they did for the Falcon. And that's how I fell in love with these wheels. I keep saying rims, but wheels. And they had a space gray, and these are a little bit like the space gray. You can see that there's a nice little kind of a sparkly kind of thing to them. I really like them. They look better than I thought they would in person. Very cool. Nice work, T Sportline. Let me give you a good comparison, kind of a side-by-side of the difference in the width on each tire. So these are the fronts, which I said before, 235, and then this is right up against the rears, which are 275. So you can see that's lined up pretty much on it. Might be slightly off here, hold on. Let me line it up better. Yeah, so you can see how much difference there is in the width. If I come up top like that, look at that. I almost think that the fronts can be a little bit wider. But we'll see how it looks on the car when it comes in. I don't know, what do you think? I think that front tire on this bike looks pretty sweet. Great fit there, huh? Anyways, here are the 4 wheels side by side. The big rears right there, and then the fronts. And I gotta tell you, the satin gray from afar looks much darker, which I do like. Because one of the other projects I'm gonna do is wrap the car with a vinyl wrap, and the wrap is gonna be a psychedelic gray. So I do like the fact that these are darker, for sure. I was a little worried when I got them that I didn't see a good sample online to see the color and the contrast, but I'm really happy with the color. I do like them a little darker. You can see when the sun hits them right there. They pop a little bit more gray, and then in the shade they're a little bit more dark. I do like them. So, unfortunately, this video is not a full video on what they'll look like on, because like I said, I'm breathing very heavy, out of shape. Like I said, the car is still being manufactured. So these will sit in the garage Actually, they'll sit in storage. And then when the car comes, we'll slap those on and put the other ones up for sale and try to make back most of the money it costs to get these bad boys. Now's the time to do that thing where you say, if you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe. See you next time. This is currently Seattle Moss, aka Tesla Dad, aka Old Man Tesla. See you next time.